So many people ask me, Denise, how do you stay stress-free during the holidays? I know the holidays can be very stressful, so much to do, a lot of tension, but I've got some easy stretches that you can do to help relax you during the holidays. It's all about unwinding a little, taking good deep breaths, mindful meditation. You need some time for yourself each day, even if it's just 3 minutes. I promise you, those 3 minutes could help you to relax and help you to enjoy the holidays a little more stress-free. Okay, one of my favorite stretches of all time to relax my back and relax the shoulders, because a lot of tension begins up in the shoulders, is to relax the neck. So here's a fantastic stretch that you could do to have relaxation in your neck. That's it, no more neck tension. And as you do this, breathe in your nose and out your nose. It helps to reduce tension in your body. The next one is to clasp your hands behind you, hold your chest open like this, and lift your chest up towards the ceiling. Hold each stretch for about 20 seconds. Inhale, exhale, and release. Because so many of you are rounded shoulders, we need to open up through the chest. That's one of the best exercises. And to find more, throughout my 25 days of fitness challenge, I offer you some of my tension tamers. So I hope you're signed up at deniseaustin.com for my challenge. You can do it.